Oh, I'm on the street every day. I've never heard that.
Hey! Hey! Stop coming here!
55-year-old Ewart Brown today after they reportedly found 2 kilos of cocaine.
Hey, Mr. Holness! You need holiness!
Welcome to the social media countdown. Yeah. Big up a gifted by Veronica shirt. Yeah. Sumfest edition. Yeah. Watch your style, yeah. Watch your. Hey. Whoa! You see, before me jump into the countdown, I have to go and big up my sponsors. You know? Look right there, sir. You see the merch? Check it out. Look at the V. Oh, bam! Look at the V. Yeah, man, this is from Gifted by Veronica. High quality apparel that sets a new standard of excellence. But anyway, let me go and jump into my next sponsor. This is all about Grand Palladium. So I need to go and rush on over there so we can get into the full official start of the countdown. Okay, let us go. Box cover DuttyBerry here, and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Right now, I'm at the Grand Palladium because of them a sponsor this week's countdown. And I say a whole heap of excitement, and I'm going to be showing you all around the property. Boy, thank you so much for always supporting. This is a Sumfest edition, so I'm going to talk about the regular things then, but I'm going to incorporate some Sumfest stuff this week. So anyway, let's get into this week's social media countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Roving Reporter. Me Vox Pop. Okay, my readers know, so I'm going to start off the countdown with something nice, a nice feel-good type of energetic, good stuff. So there's a guy by the name of Asinex Official. Now, he's been known to become a live event, what would I say? A live reporter? I don't know, him just find some accident scenes and end up there, talk up with things them in true Vashon Brown type of Dorian energy. Take a look.
Alright, sorry about the delay, guys. Now, new news just arrived to me, and that the Daihatsu was undecisive in his actions whether to turn into the King's Landing gas station or not. And and that one blunder is what caused the Pro Box to hit into the back of the Daihatsu with such speed and force, propelling the Pro Box over into this wall. Now, I can tell you, my people, coming from an accident like this, we can only give God thanks that we have all survivors, that no one is severely injured.
Yes, man, so that guy, him now make him way to the Sumfest stage courtesy of Red Stripe. Red Stripe invited him there to do some live Vox Pops, and I couldn't be more proud of this youth.
So this is Reggae Sumfest 30th year. This is our 30th anniversary. So we want to know, what are your expectations for the night?
Only vibes.
Night.
Vibes.
And to chill and just to hang out with friends, man.
But just come out with my man them, just watch the artists them.
Yeah, I'm looking for a good time with my friends, and I'm excited to see what's to come.
Wonderful. We're all excitement out here at Reggae Sumfest 2023. We also would like to know what artists are you guys looking forward to the most?
Tommy Lee.
TJ and Masika and family.
So you see, people, good things are still happening in Jamaica. Corporate Jamaica, there are a plethora of talented individuals, and just like what Red Stripe do, more uno for do the same and support other young creatives in the space. Alright, but readers, let me know how you felt seeing this young man do his thing. Sound off below.
Box cover, you've asked and I've answered. The DuttyBerry promo special is back. So if you have a product or a service that needs urgent advertising, please link us today. We have 2 tiers. That is the mention, the social media countdown mention for only $60 USD. What do you get? A special mention of your brand during the big up segment or a random video of the week. You'll hear me say this segment is brought to you by sponsor's name, location, as well as tags, and you will get access to our thousands of viewers. Then if you want a more detailed promo, you want to go into the full nitty-gritty of your company and your product, then you will get your own segment within the social media countdown for just $230 USD. And as a bonus, you get one story post on the DuttyBerry Show's Instagram page. Yes, respond because I love you know, and I know you want to the products them reach into the audience. So listen to me, you know, don't be watching the video and sitting down for an idea and do not link me right now. Okay, don't delay. All right. Anyway, back into the countdown right now. Bye-bye.
Number 9, pregnancy prank. Me ultrasound. Okay, my readers know. So this video, boy oh boy, it had me deading with laugh. So you know, so the whole AI or Rumini app where people have been using to create different pictures of them. This young woman did one on her father that showcased her with a belly. And this is what our father tell her say.
That's what me I say. I want to do this real because I actually got my truth a long time there wait. I say, I want to see my grandpicnic risen. And when I look at my belly, I say, brother. So like that, but boy, I don't know how to breed you. How to breed a dog. Because you never have a man yet in a bridge. Never have a man yet. And when I look at my belly, I say, but you don't look too bad though. You look too bad. But the pregnancy cannot get like a handicap look. You don't look too bad still, but you grew past that still.
Oh my God!
But I tell you the matter, the look of the pregnancy, that's so wonderful. It make you kind of lean, you know? Like you have strokes, make you could deform look. I don't know how about this one still, but brother, the baby spoil you up, the baby make it tilt you. The baby make it look like you're unbalanced. You know? Your face round though. Your face round. It's what swell up, cause. Well, no matter what I want still, I can't wait to see the baby. No matter what you want to look different, you want to look. You just can't wait to see baby.
No, honestly, I have to just pick up this Jamaican father because him keep it raw. Him never mince him words. Him tell him daughter exactly how it is like. Why am I talk about the fact that the woman never normally have no man? Why are Jamaican fathers like this? Readers, let me know, would you try a prank like this with your father? Sound off below. This social media countdown, I'll be showcasing 4 reasons why you should visit Grand Palladium. So look out for the feature there because it's going to pop up like this. Pam! Yeah.
Hi, my name is Marion Cunningham and I'm the hotel sales manager here at Grand Palladium Jamaica and Lady Hamilton Resort in Lucy, Hanover. So reason number 1 for you to come to Grand Palladium Jamaica and Lady Hamilton Resort, we have something for everyone. We are a diverse and expansive property with over 1,054 rooms. We have 7 a la carte restaurants, 3 beaches, and we not only have something for families, but we have adults only accommodations as well. And of course, endless entertainment and activities for families as well as adults. Something is here just for you, so come and visit us at Grand Palladium Jamaica and Lady Hamilton Resort.
Number 8, Alkaline Mourning. May R.I.P. Okay, burritos. So Alkaline, you know, big top dancehall artist, recently attended his father's funeral. His father goes by the name of Rooster. His father passed away, and Alkaline, with the public, we got to see him, you know, having that moment. So take a look. And yeah, man, you know, so Alkaline is somebody who is very private. Him not normally showcase him family and all of them stuff here upon the media. So the bit that we got to see right now, you must know, says a big deal and is something we really are going through right now. So my artist, big up yourself and just more strength and guidance and protection for you and the rest of your family them. All right, burritos, let me know what you think about this.
This random video of the week is sponsored by iSpy 876, offering stylish, trending, and fashionable prescription frames for men, women, and children. Consulting and fitting available. Please reach out to them by calling or WhatsApping 876-303-5045 and visit their Instagram page at iSpy 876.
Hi, my name is Marion Cunningham and I'm the hotel sales manager at Grand Palladium Jamaica and Lady Hamilton Resort. Now here's your random video of the week.
I'm a Sagittarian. That means I'm part horse and part human. And when you came on stage, you brought out the horse in me.
Number 7, Tommy Lee's message to Kartel. Me world boss, okay, Berry does know. So Tommy Lee, he took to the stage, Reggae Sumfest stage on night 1, and he gave quite a powerful set. Now, during his performance, he shared this message that he had with Vibes Kartel. Take a look.
Big up Vibes Kartel, my J. When me there I in prison, what do you mean there I in prison, saying? Big up everyone that I in prison. You see, Uno, I in prison. You want them to offer respect, because guess what? On the fees of people can change and I give them a chance to prove themselves. What I learn in a life, you see, anyone who they feel comfortable, or anybody who they don't feel comfortable, they're dangerous. And anyone who they feel comfortable, they're on a dangerous place. So always check on yourself, don't show the dirty colors. And when you're comfortable, you be yourself, and your real self come out. So you see them people, I see them humble, don't take advantage. Because you show them humble, you don't know when they don't care, you're going to do anything with you, because you feel like everything good. So always check yourself, love yourself first, so you can love people. You see me? What do you mean Kartel? Because we have a thing called recreation, or we go play football more, like only time sun touch you. You see me? You don't know why I lock down at them places. What do you mean Kartel a reason? Him over there, so me over here, so friends, you know. And dog, I say, family, youth. We are reason why we youth. The man say, family, and me youth, a baby. Man, I say, when the youth a baby, see? When my youth a baby, when they are prison, I know they have baby. And I say, God, no, dog. You see me? It's rough in there, bro. I can't tell you, you see, prison, if you can't do anything for stay far from it, I'm a love of crime and turn down, stay far from prison. I don't regret going there, because guess what? I best 2 years of my life, you understand? I get time for pray, I find time for my family, find time for myself, you understand? I used to have all 15 girls one time. Everybody naked, you understand? Now you come like girl, I get corrupt. Now I just ease off a girl thing and them love me even more and want even more thing. You understand? I just start to wife for drugs and them take the pill and pop pill and that. You understand? Overdo it. And I come off of my addiction and love thing. You understand? So I'm glad to feel like a bro. I got to make it happen, so. You see me? I'm going to say, yo, just level down. Level down, yo. You see me? I'm going to say, respect the police them. You see me? What can give me a chance to perform and understand so youth can change. You understand? Not for youth them want change, but you don't really get the chance because you need somebody to point a finger upon. You understand?
That is it, Tommy Lee. Like, me love to see when the artists are mature and can actually give some words of wisdom to the upcoming dancehall artists and for the fans who support World Boss as well as Tommy Lee. Like, what he went through, you know, was no easy thing. So the fact that he's able to move out of it and to share these words of wisdom to other people to encourage them and to hopefully make them, you know, understand, say, they don't need to forget that badness and then for be mindful of the people who they are around. Tommy Lee, excellent speech. I would just hope for more signs of maturity from UNL for 2 row. Well, Berry does let me know of what you thought about Tommy Lee's encounter with Kartel. Sound off below.
Hello everyone, my name is Lidge Keith. I'm the hotel manager here at the wonderful Grand Palladium in Lucy, Hanover. The second reason why you should be staying with us is because we simply provide second to none entertainment for a local market. The food, the drink quality, the experience here is truly a Jamaican experience. And for that reason, you ought to be with us experiencing this wonderful package at the Grand Palladium in Lucy, Hanover.
Number 6, proud mom. My pregnancy. Okay, Burrito. So the other day I see this video with this young lady. She said that she's 19-year-old and she have one big belly in front of her. And she was talking about the fact that she is proud to be 19 with 3 pitney.
Oh, what?
Can you believe it? 3 pitney, you know. But you know what? I think I want to show to the video right now because we don't have to go and check it out. But I'm going to see if I can scuff my gut before we show the video there. All right. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you so much. Yes, so thank you, Danisha. Yes, okay, all right. You look lovely. Thank you.
Yeah, you know walk in cemetery. No. Yeah, you know dash when no belly. No. I you never kill none of your picnic where you fit.
Oh wow. No, my girl, honestly, she seemed like she is very happy to be having her third child at 19. But the comment sections them up on TikTok and on Instagram, they were so nice. Some of the people them fully done her and I say she's supposed to feel ashamed of herself, and hopefully she have all of them three pitney here for the same man. Because we don't know if a three different man should have the pitney for, you know. And you know, I have others in the comments where I say, let's just be happy that she seems to be having healthy kids, and once you can take care of them, then it's none of our business. And I would say that I agree. But burritos, I love to hear from Uno. Only thing say is a wise thing or a smart thing for her to be celebrating the fact that she have three pitney at 19 years old. So now in the comment section. Uh-oh. Number 5, family surprise. Wow. So let's ask yourself, when last somebody prank you? Then ask yourself, when last did you get a surprise? Then when last you get the combination, both of them in a one? Well, this is what this young man got when his sister gave him this epic surprise at the airport. Take a look.
Chavi, here, you come here with me. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So we've been planning this for a while. The entire family was in on it. So we take the work seriously now. We even make him drawing foot on cardboard. Now this is him videoing, you know, I not even know what going on. But first I had to go in and check us in. Big up to my credit card. We got Club My Baby for free.
Here, you come here with me. Yeah. 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 Come, look my documents them. We have to hurry up, we next in our line. I think. You want me not to listen next time I come here carry your man?
I think I'm going to go sleep.
Oh, you know but I want to go home now? Yes. You know but I want to go home? Huh? Okay. Okay. Yeah, look at mother. Tell her thank you.
Yo. When I got foreign. Seriously. Left my daddy.
Can you tell he's excited? This was really a hard prank to pull off, you know. But it was well worth it. And being the extra big sister that I am, I had to make sure that he had the Club Mobile experience.
Thank you.
He's happy, I'm happy. Anything for them.
Well, wow, that is it. This is just how you make somebody's day. Like, why me can't have them family member here? But we just carry my guy airport and say, Barry, so one weekend for 2 weeks, you're gonna get a Paris here. Everything book out, travel, accommodation, food, rental, everything is covered. Burritos, you can't feel sorry for me like this. And surprise me like this too. But anyway, big up this sister. I'm sure say, you know, this young man is going to appreciate it. Because one of the biggest things I always say, people need to step out of them comfort zone. People need to come out of them yard, them living room, and go experience life and embrace other cultures. That's the only way you fully grow and mature as an individual. So that is it. Congratulations to this family, and I hope that the youth have a good time.
Hello, my name is Daniel Grant, and I'm a waiter of Grand Palladium that's located in Lucy, Hanover. Reason 3, we have some really great professional management system going on here. Guests always come back over and over again talking about the wonderful customer service that we have here, and the warmness, and all the rooms and stuff are very beautiful, and they like our water. And this is the only resort you'll be able to get freshly squeezed water from. So we're happy to work here. And when you come here, you'll see me around the place.
Number 4, Jamaican AI. My robot, okay, my readers know. So recently, this new style of doing TikTok lives has taken over. Now, it was made popular by the influencer by the name of Pinky Doll. And she has been doing the, thank you for the rose. Thank you for the money gun. Gang, 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 gang.
Hey, hi, yes. You got me feeling like a cowgirl. Let me read it, huh? Gang, gang. Gang, gang. Gang, gang. Ice cream so good, gang gang.
All of them something there, and so you know Jamaican people have to go jump into the mix and put their own flavor on it. So we've seen some of the women do for them take, you know, them interpretation.
For the money gun, yes, 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 yes. Thank you for the money gun. Thank you for the money gun. Thank you for the money gun. Yes, 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 yes.
Hot dog. Devonos ice cream.
And now you have the Jamaican youth them that start for do it now. No, I am lost for words. So first up, you have this brother that they go up and do theme thing, but nobody never did that send him no gift at all. I never love that theme at all.
Gang, 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 gang.
And then you have this youth, and I think he's probably the best male AI version that I've seen so far. Take a listen.
TikTok, hey! I love TikTok. Balls, I love balls, thank you. Glitch. Haley, hey! Welcome to my live. My name is Isaac. Get that bag.
But okay, but yeah, burritos, let me know what you thought of this entire new trend on TikTok. You think it makes sense? Do you think it's entertaining? Or you think it's just going to be like a 1 week fad that will stay low by the end of this video? Sound off in the comments.
Hello everyone, my name is Lidge Keith. I am the hotel manager here at the Grand Palladium Resort in Lucy, Hanover, and this is the Big Up segment.
And now it is time for the Big Up segment. Alright, so the first up on the Big Up segment, I have to go and big up 18-year-old triple jump sensation Jada Hibbert on a remarkable impression during his debut Diamond League by securing a second place finish in the men's triple jump event in Monaco. Big up yourself, youth.
As I mentioned earlier, I have to go and big up my sponsor, Gifted by Veronica. High quality apparel that sets a new standard of excellence. So go and go check it out. At the night, me tell you, the fabric, it feels so soft. It hug your body on your skin, and like you can wash it over and over again, and it now go later them now go run off on all of these things like some other type of material. It's really good quality. So support Brand Jamaica by supporting Gifted by Veronica. So you can go check it out check her out right here, so that you can order whichever one of the teas that you like. All right. Funeral foiled. Me program. Okay, burrito. So this has to do with the tragic passing of the 8-year-old Danielle Rose. So they had her Thanksgiving service, and from the videos that we've been seeing on social media, the family was very upset.
Still people in the church, I come tell them, not speak tongues. You rude our daughter with them 7 days, 1 day Christian. Wanna go? Hey, stop coming here. All about politicians. We don't want politicians.
Oh yes man, you look on that and you can just tell a mother's pain. She was unhappy with how they set the program, and she felt like the family was not heavily involved.
Reprogram everything. They put who they want. The opening in prayer is supposed to be my mother. They put JCS.
You know, many speculations are going around the place that say maybe the government had a very vital role into how, you know, the program was set, and not very much to the families pleasing. But quick and fast, same time, the Jamaica Labour Party put out a statement that basically said them never have no involvement with the proceedings. So the question is, who did? But burritos, let me know who you think actually played a part into how the funeral was put together. Sound off below. Tanya, this, and Tanya Stephens, yes man, the lady was saying, something another ravers clavers. That is that lady that sing that song. But you know, she performed at Reggae Sumfest on night 2, but soon after she made it known how unhappy she was with the entire organization.
Which is, you will never see me here again. Again, really appreciate and love it, but me can't do this again. This is too much. This is stress. We were told to jump on the shuttle, and when we got there, we were dismissed. We have no such knowledge of you.
So hopefully it can be resolved between both parties, Reggae Sumfest team as well as Tanya's team, and maybe she can change her mind. But as of now, the woman say that she'll wipe her hands clean of Reggae Sumfest. Cobra arrested. Me? No veteran dancehall artist by the name of Cobra, the man who sing Girl Flicks, time to have sex. And that veteran artist now, he was arrested in a South Carolina.
Florence County deputies arrested 55-year-old Ewart Brown today after they reportedly found 2 kilos of cocaine and a pistol in his car. He is now awaiting a bond hearing, facing drug trafficking and weapons possession charges.
Jesus Christ. So let's just see what will come off this case. But burritos, any word at all that you'd like to give to this artist right now? What kind of encouraging type of advice you'd share with him? Sound off below. Twinkle denies.
Rumor going around right now. I don't want to put you on the spot too much, but word on the street is Jada and Burna boy. You want to talk about that?
Oh, I'm on the street every day. I've never heard that.
And that's where I think we're going to wrap it there. We're not going to leave that one there. All right, so, but the thing is, we're bringing it up because he did mention you in the remix to Taliban.
Oh, he did?
He would say, yo, buy a Birkin for Jada Kingdom.
I would have to listen to it.
So if you have been living under a rock and you don't know the story, Jada Kingdom and Burna Boy, the African giant superstar, they have been rumored to be dating. You know, so Burna Boy come down here the other day and him go sing song with Byron, and him go mention say Jada have the good.
Dance to me by a Birkin for Jada Kingdom.
I think there was a video with Jada Kingdom wearing a chain that it was alleged to belong to Burna Boy, and all kind of talk about him buying her a Birkin. And that is the backstory. So when Jada woke up on them reporter here, big up yourself, Tomo TV from Zip FM, this was her response. But Jada Kingdom, big up yourself. Let me know, you think them really in a something for true and shows up play the game? Sound off below.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how SpongeBob's party is shaping up.
Number 3, Gal Buning, Detector, Me Easter. Okay, so this video comes courtesy of social media personality Bobby Socks 876. Now, the brother has been doing a series of different lessons, practicals. The brother, I give you a PhD type of tutorials on how to look out for certain things, especially when it pertains to women. This time, the lesson was how to tell if, you know, your woman are going to get a bun. What are the things to look out for, especially when it's a Jamaican woman? Take a listen.
I have 6 ways to know if your girl a give a bun. Number 1, yes. Number 2, she Jamaican or have anything we're connected to Jamaica. She like Jamaica food, she like Jamaica music.
Don't know me love how Jamaican like cook food.
Her parents come from Jamaica. I don't care if a Jamaica Queens in a New York. Anything with Jamaica and girl can't get bun. Number 3, yai water. Everybody knows the more the girl cry and the more the girl lie. Don't fall for your tears. Hey girl, did you fuck that boy? I can't believe you that evil assume something. Lie girl and tell don't fall for it. Number 4, if she have bad friend. Everybody knows a bad girl have a lot of options. And the more options a girl have is the more options a girl have. So why the fuck should I second for you, brother? Alright, continue. Number 5, if she have male friends, male anything, male best friend, male co-worker, any kind of male, vice male, G male, he male, it don't matter. Where there's a will, there's a way. Where there's a hole, there's a pool. Continue, man. Number 6 now. See me I say, if you don't have enough money to take care of the girl, you're going to get bun, pretty much. However, if you have enough money to take care of the girl, so now she don't have to work to take care of herself, she have a lot of free time. What the fuck she going to do with the free time? Watch your match, the man. No, she have a free time to give you a bigger butt.
No,
No, honestly, we don't know how Bobby Socks come up with them type of something here. Like, that was well thought out. You know what killed me is the picture of actually the meal. The actual, no. You see what going right there, so? Using your smart so that everybody could have come up with them level of witness there. You smart. But burritos, let me know, do you agree with this compilation? Sound off below. Number 2, Bayka Arrested. No burritos now. So Bayka took to the stage at Reggae Sumfest 2023, and in the middle of him set, he decided to just use profanity after profanity after profanity after profanity. So much so that the host, Pretty Boy Floyd, had to intervene and tell him, say, yo, shadow the brakes with the curse words. Take time. But did he listen? No, sir. Take a look.
I don't mean to interrupt your performance, Bayka. I know you're a professional artist, but the police, they are asking you to desist from cursing in decent languages. If you continue, it will be against you. All right?
Yo, big up law enforcement, they know them there, see?
All right, thank you for understanding.
Rough cut. on the island. Remember me telling you that.
Yeah, man, so him get that one in, and then him come back with this.
We have to stay, don't listen to fly, they have to stay, don't forget.
Respect.
Soon after.
And honestly, like, I don't know what to make like, but you know what I hated is the fact that the police did have to come in and escort him out of the venue. I mean, we're in 2023 right now, and it's just something about not being allowed to use profanity on stage not sit well with me. This is actually an adult show, and I know a show for like little pitney. And I feel like if you're coming to a stage like this, but a dance all night like this, you're supposed to have the free range to do that, but I understand the organizers and sponsors, them have to upload, I guess, whatever standards that they have, and I guess, but ultimately, I really feel that we need to move away from this thing where if it's going to be an adult show, the fans, them, not the audience, them know the expletives that were in there. So make it just go on. Or do not have the streaming, what you call it, live. Have it delayed where you can update the curse words. Them. That's all I have to say. But Bayka, you didn't aren't really for that. But let me know, Burritos, what do you think? Do you think that we should still, you know, start to police these artists on stage with what they say, or we must move away from that? Sound off in the comment section. Make us all asleep.
Hi, my name's Andy.
I'm Joe.
And we chose the Grand Palladium because our friends and family have visited previously, and we absolutely love it.
The people are so amazing. The food is really, really good, and the whole package has been absolutely fantastic.
It is got everything you could ask for in a hotel. It's got multiple pools, many different restaurants offering different variety of food and drink, music, entertainment.
Activities for our children, so there's always plenty to do, always something going off, and the atmosphere is like electric.
Brought to you by Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa.
Yeah, the next security I have represented for none other than Dutty Berry and the Dutty Berry Show. I want to DM.
And number one goes to Marion all at Sumfest. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Minister Marion Hall, Sumfest performance. Yes, sir. So you know we've been anticipating. We've been waiting to see what will she deliver on that stage. Some people did feel like she was going to fling it up on the left, but she did not. She drew breaks and she gave people an epic gospel performance. Take a look.
I was going through some things when I was lady, so I wouldn't go through them things. But the Lord told me himself, listen, I'm sure without a doubt, my God will work it out. Tell the enemy no worry about me. I'm sure without a doubt, my God will work it out. He will surely give me victory.
Okay. And in the middle of that, there was a point where she actually started to sing Kiss Up My Bible and tell people why she used that choice of word.
Come piss out a verse and break your dirty curse. Your bad mind from before your birth. Come repent for the woman where you work. And nothing can save you, not even church. Kiss it up before you perish in a sin. Cause every knee have to bow to the king. You better call Jesus and him disciple, and make it take you out of Satan's bride. So when you hear me say kiss out my Bible, it means you should consume the word.
And in the middle of that, she started to give out Bibles to the people who were in attendance. You know, she have to do the little performance thing and turn up the theatrics.
My mind is made up to follow you, Jesus. My mind is made up, I'll never turn back. I love you. My mind is made up, thanks to Sidella Marley. for partying with us. Holy Ghost Pentecostal Church of Jesus Christ. And thank you for putting your contribution towards the Bible. We gave away almost 1,000 today.
Yes, but what a lot of persons are also talking about is when she brought up the Prime Minister's name, she called out Andrew Holness as well as the trappers who are currently in Montego Bay. Actually, I wonder if some of them did in the audience.
You got your phone? Call him Mr. Holness, Mr. Holness. Holness. Holness, Mr. Holness, Mr. Holness, Mr. Get your phone and call him as, hey, Mr. Holness, you need holiness. And right now, Jamaica in a mess. From Mobile to St. Elizabeth, the people them a ball over Assembly Press. When me chop my friend them there, you know I am my brother and my sister, right? So you think would I leave the chopper them out? Chopper, chopper, chopper tapper, chopper tapper, chopper tapper, chopper tapper, chopper tapper. Find another job. And right now you get that's why the dirty girl ring where you have. That's why the dirty woman ring where you have. That's why the dirty. That's why the dirty. That's why the dirty girl ring where you have. And that can keep you out of body bag.
Oh wow, that is how you close a show. Like honestly, one thing we cannot take away from Marion Hall is that she is a performer. Whether or not you know her songs them, you know she can go up on the stage and all if she gonna say A, B, C, D, E, she's going to give you in full energy and full vibes and she's gonna turn up the theatrics because that is just how Marion does it. So, Berrydos, let me know, did you think that her performance lived up to the hype? You think so she did too rare, or you think that she handled herself with professionalism and class befitting for a gospel artist? Sound off below. Well, that's it. We've come to the end of another Dutty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. Jesus, people, I forgot to say big up to Grand Palladium. This was amazing. A countdown with a difference. But before you leave no more, if you make sure say you go and share the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, as well as to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. Also, follow me on all my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over for hosting, advertising. Shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow at gmail.com. I can't forget my sponsor for Sumfest as well, gifted by Veronica. Okay, so take care until next time, next week. See ya. Bye. Bye-bye.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them salt me, I will have me not a week, yo, just tune in, scene.